Hey guys, we're here dynoing some amplifiers again. Today we got the XPLD3K by NVX Audio. This is their 3000 watt monoblock amplifier. We're going to run it through our typical tests that we've always been doing on these videos. Just going to give you the information on the amplifier in terms of the manufacturer rated output. So this thing's supposed to be 3000 watts RMS at 1 ohm, at 2 ohms 1900, and at 4 ohms 1020. So if the amp performs as well as it says it does, I think we're going to drop the impedance a little bit lower at the end of the video and see if we can get a little bit more out of this monstrous amplifier. So let's get this test started and see what we come up with. All right, so we ran all of our tests. We're going to go over the certified and dynamic tests that we do. And at 1 ohm, we got 3049 watts, so it definitely met with what the manufacturer said it was supposed to do. In fact, it'd probably be slightly higher if we had 14.4 volts, but this gives you an idea of how well it's going to perform in the car. Going on 2 ohms, 2105 watts, 4 ohms, 1099, so just about 1100 watts. And those definitely exceeded what the manufacturer stated in the owner's manual. Now for our dynamic tests, the amplifier did extremely well. At 1 ohm, we got 4195 watts. So that's a lot of power. As I've explained before, dynamics is basically what you're gonna get when you play music. So 4100 watts, over 4100 watts is a lot of power. So 2 ohms, 2654 watts, 4 ohms, 1293 watts. And since it did so well, we're gonna go ahead and run this amplifier certified and dynamic at 0.8. I know we haven't done this before, but we're just gonna see what happens. So the amplifier survived. We did our 0.8 ohms. Could it possibly go lower? Sure, maybe. We're not gonna try it. We just did that for fun. I always do recommend that you run the amplifier at what the manufacturer recommends, which is 1 ohm. But we did get dynamically 4786 watts, which is a lot of power. And our certified tests were quite nice as well too, 3268 watts. So all in all, this amplifier is great performer. It definitely met and exceeded its expectations from what the manufacturer states in the owner's manual. Once again, this is the NVX Audio XPLD3K, and I'm Alan with Sonic Electronics. Be sure to subscribe to all of our channels, watch more of our amp dyno videos, check us out on Facebook, Twitter, etc. And we'll see you next time.